Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Clearco product if you don't want to give up equity. As a founder who has navigated the funding landscape, I know the intense pressure to grow quickly while keeping 100% control of your business. Giving up equity, even a small percentage, is a huge, permanent decision. That's where Clearco comes in with their non-dilutive funding options. Clearco's non-dilutive solution. The core of what Clearco offers, and the best product for avoiding equity, is their revenue-based financing, RBF, which they offer primarily through their cash advance and invoice funding products. The key takeaway is that none of Clearco's main funding products require you to give up ownership or equity in your company. They are designed to align with your revenue, not your cap table. Cash advance and invoice funding. Think of these as your two primary, equity-free options. Clearco Cash Advance. This is the most flexible option. You receive a lump sum of capital directly into your bank account. You can use this money for almost anything: marketing, inventory, hiring, or other growth expenses. The repayment. You repay the advance, plus a flat fixed fee, not interest, using a fixed percentage of your daily or weekly revenue. If your sales are slow, your repayment is smaller. This flexible model is the core reason you don't give up equity. Clearco Invoice Funding. This product is more targeted. It's for when you need to pay specific vendor invoices, like a big inventory order or a major software bill. Clearco pays the vendor directly or reimburses you for a recently paid receipt, and you repay Clearco over a set term. This is great for maintaining a healthy cash flow and ensuring you can secure inventory or services without delay, again, without touching your equity. Why it's the best choice for no equity. You retain full ownership. This is the most important part. Unlike venture capital, Clearco is not an investor taking a stake. They are a capital provider who gets paid a fee based on your revenue performance. Predictable cost. The fee is fixed up front, e.g., 6% to 12.5% of the capital amount, so you know exactly what you owe. There's no compounding interest and no demand for a board seat or control over your business decisions. Speed and data-driven. The funding is often approved in 24 to 48 hours based on your connected revenue accounts, like Shopify or Stripe, making it much faster than traditional bank loans or equity rounds. If you are an e-commerce or SaaS founder generating consistent monthly revenue and you want growth capital while maintaining 100% control, Clearco's revenue-based financing, specifically the cash advance, is your best, most straightforward product. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.